Today we can study exercise 7.1 question number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give reason for your answer. Roman number 1, in here some points given, we have to check this is the vertices of quadrilateral. Maybe vertices of quadrilateral. If that is vertices of quadrilateral means which type quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means any figure with four sides. This is one quadrilateral. Otherwise, if you take one square, this one also quadrilateral, isn't it? Then we have to check that is square or rhombus or rectangle, anything. We can see that. First give name. Let A. A is first point. B 1 0. C minus 1 2 and D minus 3 0 with the points. Using by distance formula, already you have studied distance formula. What is distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. This is distance formula. First we can find out AB. When you draw one quadrilateral, it's like one quadrilateral. This is A, B, C, D. This AB is one side, isn't it? We can write sides. First we will find out sides. AB equal to square root of, use this formula, A and B. We are using first 2 points. X2 minus x1. This is x1, this is y1. X2, y2. Then x2 is 1. 1 minus x1 is minus 1 all square plus y2 minus y1, that is y2 is 0 minus y1 is minus 2 all square. Then square root of 1 minus minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 will get 2 square. Here 1 minus minus means plus, 1 plus 1 2 square plus 0 minus minus, minus into minus plus, isn't it? Then remaining 2 square equal to square root of 2 square means 4 plus again 2 square 4 equal to root 4 plus 4 8, root 8. Root 8, how you can write? We can write, look, when you factorize that root 8 using by 2 4 again 2 so like you will get. Then out of this 2, here 2 2's are there, then take 1 2 outside, then remaining root 2 units. Now we got AB equal to 2 root 2 units. Then next side is BC. Take BC, figure A, B, C, D. Look, BC is next side. Then square root of B and C. X1, Y1. This is X2, Y2. Use formula X2 minus X1. That is minus 1, minus 1. Then minus X1 is 1. Then y2 minus y1, y2 is 2 minus y1 is 0 equal to square root of minus 1 you will get minus 2. Minus 2 square plus in here 2 square equal to square root of minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2 you will get 4 plus 2 square also 4 equal to square root of 4 plus 4, 8. When you do square root of 8, already you did, you will get 2 root 2 units. BC equal to 2 root 2. Then what is next side? Next side is CD. CD equal to square root of, use C and D. C means this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. x2 minus x1, minus 3 minus, then x1 is minus 1. Plus y2 minus y1, y2 is 0, minus y1 is 2. Equal to square root of, look in here, minus 3 minus minus plus, isn't it? Plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1, what you will get? Minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1, you will get minus 2 all square. Plus in here also 0 minus 2 minus 2 all square equal to square root of minus 2 into minus 2 4 plus in here also minus 2 into minus 2 4 equal to square root of 8. Square root of 8 already we have written 2 root 2. Then next side is A and D, square root of A and D. AD means this is x1, y1, D is x2, y2. x2 minus x1 is here minus 1. Then y2 minus y1, y2 in here 0, minus y1 is minus 2. Square root of minus 3 minus into minus plus, minus 3 plus 1 will get minus 2 plus minus into minus plus 2 square. Square root of minus 2 square 4. In here also 4. 4 plus 4. Directly we can write 8 equal to root 8 is 2 root 2 units. Now we got all sides. Look, A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. All sides are equal. 2 root 2, 2 root 2. In here also 2 root 2. All sides are equal. Then after we have to find out diagonals also. Find out diagonals. Now we can see diagonals. Diagonals. Then what will be diagonals? Look, one figure. A, B, C, D. In here, what is diagonal? If you join A and C, you will get first diagonal. Then if you join B and D, you will get second diagonal. That means you will find out AC and BD. That will be diagonals. First find out AC equal to, same distance formula we can use. A and C, those two, is x1, x1, y1, is x2, y2. Then square root of my x2 is minus 1 minus x1 is minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus again minus 2 whole square equal to square root of, in here minus 1 minus into minus plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, that will be 0, 0 square plus 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square equal to square root of 0 square, 0 only, no need to write, then 4 square 4 square. The square and square root cancel. Then remaining only 4. Length of first diagonal we got 4 units. Then what is second diagonal? BD. BD. Find out BD also. B and D. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Square root of minus 3 minus 1 whole square. X2 is minus 3, x1 is 1. Then plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus 0. Equal to square root of, then minus 4 whole square equal to square root of minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Now we got diagonals both 4 units. Then sides are which are sides? First side AB, then second side BC, third side CD, then last side AD, equal to what is answer? 2 root 2. All sides are equal, isn't it? Then diagonals are, first diagonal is AC, then second diagonal BD, equal to 4 units. Now we got sides are equal, then diagonals also equal. All the sides are equal means what is that? That is square, isn't it? So also same question we have to check which type, quadrilateral. Then first give names. Let A means first point minus 3 5, B second point 3 1, C 0 3, and D minus 1 minus 4. With the points. Using by distance formula, we can use distance formula in here. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then first find out AB, first side. AB equal to square root of A and B. This will be x1, y1 is x2, y2. x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus, again minus 3. Then 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5, y2 minus y1. Equal to square root of 3 minus minus 3. That means 3 plus 3, 6. Then 1 minus 5, you will get minus 4. Equal to square root of 6 square, that is 6 plus minus 4 into minus 4, you will get 16. Equal to square root of 52. 36 plus 16, 52. Then factorize that. 52 divided by 2, and here 2 6, again 2 1 3. That means out of this 2, take 1 2 outside, then remaining only 13, root 13 units. We got now length of AB is 2 root 13 units. Then next BC, second side, square root of B and C. That time this will be x1 y1 This is x2 y2. 0 minus x2 minus x1. 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 1 equal to 0 minus 3 is minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 2 square equal to square root of minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3, that will be 9 plus 2 square 22 4 equal to square root of 9 plus 4 13 units. This is the length of BC. Then next CD. C and D. At time this will be x1 y1. Next D means x2 y2. Find out x2 minus x1. Minus 1 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 whole square equal to square root of minus 1 whole square. Look in here, you will get this 0 no need to write, isn't it? Then remaining minus 1 only. Minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7 whole square equal to square root of minus 1 into minus 1, that will be 1 plus minus 7 whole square, minus 7 into minus 7, 49 equal to square root of 50, isn't it? Then 50 we can change. If you factorize 50, you will get 2 use, then 2 5 25, then 5 into 5 25, isn't it? Then out of 2 5 take 1 5 outside, then root, which number remaining? 2, isn't it? 2. We got 5 root 2 units. Then what is last side? That will be 80. This, which are sides, if you don't know means you can draw in one side small one figure this like, then A, B, C, D. First A, B, then B, C, then C, D, then last A, D. Like that also you can draw one simple figure for understanding. Then A, D, square root of A and D. So, A and D. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2, x2, y2. x2 minus x1. What is x2? Minus 1 minus x1 is minus 3. Plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 4, then minus 5. Square root of, in here, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3, you will get 2. 2 square plus minus 4 minus 5, minus 9 whole square. Equal to square root of 2 square is 4 plus minus 9 whole square, minus 9 into minus 9, 81. You will get 85. Square root of 85. Then if you factorize, I need to factorize again. Square root of 85 units. Next, we got all the sides. Find out these sides. Okay. Find out diagonals. Then, now we can find out diagonal. First diagonal is AC, second diagonal is BD. Find out AC. AC equal to square root of same distance formula we can use A and C. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. That means x2 y2. This is x1 y1. x2 minus x1. 0 minus x1 is minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 5 whole square, equal to square root of 0 minus into minus plus, that means 0 plus 3, 3 square plus 3 minus 5, that will be minus 2 whole square, equal to 3 square is 9 plus minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2, 4, equal to root 13 units. Length of first diagonal we got root 13 units. Then next diagonal is BD. BD, square root of is B and D, x1 y1, this is x2 D, x2 y2. x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 3, that is x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, minus 4 minus 1 whole square, square root of, then minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 equal to square root of minus 4 whole square is 16, minus 4 into minus 4, 16, minus 5 whole square, minus 5 into minus 5, 25. If you add, you will get 41, square root of 41 units. Now we got all sides and diagonals. In here these are the sides. AB equal to 2 root 13, BC equal to root 13, CD is 5 root 2, AD equal to root 85, then AC equal to root 13, BD equal to root 41. In here you can see, look, in here root 13, in here also root 13 is there. That means BC here, BC plus this AC. If you add BC and AC, what you will get? You will get AP. Check it. BC means root 13. BC is root 13. And then AC means root 13. AB means, what is AB? 2 root 13. BC plus AC equal to AB, you got it. Did you study anywhere this like one condition? So get one line, straight line, AB, and then this is C. AC we got, AC is root 13, and then BC also root 13, then AB is 2 root 13. This is the condition for collinear. These 3 points are collinear, isn't it? That means this is actually one line only. And then using by given points, we cannot draw any quadrilateral. We can see that. This is A, this is C, and then B. Then one more point only is there, D. Then if you join this like, will you get quadrilateral? We will not get quadrilateral. We will get only, maybe you will get one triangle maximum, isn't it? Then we will not get any quadrilateral. That means these given points are not vertices of quadrilateral, because these 3 points are collinear. Points are collinear. Points A, B and C are collinear. Therefore, A, B, C and D are not vertices of quadrilateral. You can see question number 6, Roman number 3. In here also they are given 4 points. We have to check which type quadrilateral. First, you can give names. Let first point A 4 5, B is 7 6, C means 4 3, and D means 1 2. These are the points. Then we can find out sides. First side is AB. Now, using the distance formula, you can write distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Sides. First side is AB. AB equal to x1 y1 x2 y2. Square root of x2 minus x1, that is 7 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus next y2 minus y1 6, y2 is 6 minus 5 whole square. Square root of 7 minus 4 3, 3 square plus 6 minus 5 1 square equal to square root of 9 plus 1 square is 1 equal to square root of 10. Root 10 units. Then next BC. BC equal to square root of x2 minus x1. BC. B and C you can use. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. x2 minus x1. What is 4 minus x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 6 whole square. Square root of 4 minus 7 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 6 minus 3 equal to square root of 9 plus here also 9 equal to root 18. Then root 18 you can factorize. What will get? 18. Using by 2, 9. Again use 3. Just out of 2 3s, we can take 1 3 outside, then root 2 units. The next side is CD. C and D. x1, y1, then x2, y2. Square root of x2 minus x1, that is 1, then x1 is 4. 1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 3, isn't it? Square root of 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Then 2 minus 3 minus 1 equal to square root of minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 into minus 3 9 plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 1 into minus 1 1 equal to root 10 units. Then left side, that is AD. AD equal to square root of, use A and D, x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Then x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus, that x2 is 1, then x1 is 4, 1 minus 4. y2 minus y1, 2 minus 5 equal to square root of 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 5 minus 3 equal to square root of minus 3 into minus 3, 9 plus, here also 9, root 18 equal to, what is root 18? Root 18 already we are written 3 root 2, isn't it? 3 root 2 units. Now we got all sides, find out length of diagonals. Diagonals, first diagonal is AC. AC. Here draw this like one triangle A, B, C, D. AC is first diagonal. Then square root of x2 minus x1, A and C. Use A and C. This is x2, y2. This is x1, y1. That means x2 minus x1, 4 minus 4. Then y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5. Equal to square root of 4 minus 4, 0 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2. Equal to square root of 0 square is 0, then minus 2 all square, that will be 4. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Square root of 4 is 2. We got 2 units. Then that is next diagonal, that is BD. BD equal to square root of B and D, then this is 7 and 6, B, isn't it? x1, y1, then D means 1, 2, x2, y2, then x2 minus x1, 1 minus 7, 1 minus 7 all square plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 6, square root of 1 minus 7 minus 6 square, then 2 minus 6 minus 4 all square equal to 36 plus 16, 52 units. Now we got all diagonals and sides. Check it. Sides first. AB is root 10 units. Then CD also root 10. That means opposite sides are equal. Look, root 3 root 2, 3 root 2. Opposite sides are equal. Then diagonals. What about diagonals? In here 2, in here root 52. Diagonals are different. If you consider one parallelogram, it's like one parallelogram. Then A, B, C, D. These opposite sides are equal. In here also opposite sides are equal, isn't it? In the case of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Then what about diagonal? One is long, one is short. Diagonals are different, isn't it? Then you can write here AB equal to CD. AB and CD equal. Then BC equal to AD. Opposite sides are equal. Then diagonals AC not equal to BD. Diagonals are not equal. Not equal. Therefore, ABCD is vertices of a parallelogram.